If you are looking to log in to Synergy account but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to log in to your Synergy account. So make sure to follow each step and watch the video till the end to learn this process. First, open a web browser on your PC and go to synergy.net.au and hit enter. Once you are on the web page, you'll see several options on the right hand side of the screen. Click on the first option, Log in to my account. Remember that sometimes the website may be going through some maintenance or issue, like shown in the screen right now. So you might need to wait till the server issue gets fixed. But if it goes without any issue, then this will bring up a login interface where you'll need to enter your username and email address, followed by your password. If you've forgotten your username, you can recover it by clicking the Forget Username link. To save time on future logins, you can check the box to have the system remember your username. However, if you are on the shared or public device, it's safer to leave this option unchecked. After entering your username, type in your password. If you've forgotten it, you can reset it by clicking on the Forget Password link. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, click on the Login button. And there you go. You'll be successfully logged in into your Synergy account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.